Today on Mom to Mom, I have a fun toddler enrichment activity. I have a fun activity for those toddlers using stuff from your house, because how many times do they have toys but they rather play with a box, just stuff you have laying around all the time, right? So we have egg cartons always. I like this activity because you can use an egg carton and it helps with their motor skills. So what you do is take an egg carton, and I like to get some acrylic paint, paint the tops of the egg carton. Then you're gonna take an X-Acto knife and kind of just cut little slits in there. And once you have that complete, just get some colored paint sticks and then hand them to your toddler and let them go to town on this. They can match the colors. It helps with those fine motor skills. If they get tired with the bottom of the egg carton, you can always flip it on the inside, paint the inside as well. And then I have these fun little pom-poms that they always have a good time just throwing it in there, matching the colors as well. Trust me when I say they're gonna love this, because it's different. It's not the same everyday toy. And you can get a lot of uses out of these egg cartons. You can even put numbers on them. There's so many different ways for your toddler to have a good time with just an egg carton. If you have any wonderful ideas that you try with your toddler, I would love to hear it and actually bring them to life, and you'll see that on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Perspectives Paint, Wallpaper, Window Treatments, and Upholstery.